Hi everyone! So today we're going to be working on some notebooks. These are going to be done with resin. I'm going to put some colors in and play around with them. And we will be using the stone coat or coat resin. So I think this will be pretty and unique. This one will be a top, and then I'll do one for the bottom to match so that they can go in like this, so that the back is the same as the front. So let's play around. Let's get started. See you in a minute.
I wanted to escape for a while. Thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game. Someone said your name, had to turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh my, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. But it was just too late. Someone said your name, had to turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. We skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh my, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. Skip the small talk. Cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh my, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else.
Love is like a roller coaster, but I'm trying to hold on. I don't want it to stop. Even though we fight sometimes and it feels like a war zone, I still care about us. How do you move on when everything goes wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Oh, I know that it's difficult difficult dealing with emotions, but I want you to know that you'll always be on my mind, even in the hard times. I care about you. How do you move on when everything goes wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Oh, love you a little bit more. 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 How do you move on when everything is wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what you said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Oh, love you a little bit more. Just a little bit. Love you a little bit more. Love you a little bit more. Just a little bit. Love you a little bit more.
Okay, so these were so much fun to do. Look how cute these came out. So I ended up putting 25 sheets, I think, in this one, or maybe 30. I'll have to recount it again. But then I have the back like this, so I left the plain on the inside. These would make great little art journals, especially if you're doing painting, that you could write your colors down and just keep them separate. And you can always open these up and add new paper to them. But this is the black one that I did. I love this one, the way it came out. Very pretty. And this one has lined paper. So these molds and the paper and the extra rings, everything's available in Amazon. And I'll put them in my Amazon shop if you want to get the molds and play. I did buy 2 sets of molds, as you know, so that I could do both the front and the back at the same time. So I'm looking forward to doing more of these, but for now, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here if you're new to the channel. Join us every Monday night live at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Ellen and I do some acrylic pouring. And check out all the links below. We have a link for the Stone Coat Art Coat. And it does harden up, it just takes a few days for it to cure. So don't be afraid when you take it out and it's soft and it's bendable, but it will harden up. But thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye now.